Splashed by snow is something that just happens. Move to a new spot if you're getting splashed.
Bad baby.
No.
Bad baby.
Will, you're a good scooper.
What are you, Will? Oh, he's a happy baby, Daddy.
Happy baby?
You're a sad baby. You want to come knock you down, sad baby?
No. Sound theory.
You want me to attack?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
You do, don't you?
No.
Let me put my wet gloves on. You're going to do a lot of good.
Can't take snow. What do I do? Here. Oh. This super nothing.
I'll help you with that. That's how much I love you. I will knock you down and help you up, maybe. What's going on?
I'm attacking snow.
What are you going to do?
Attacking snow.
Oh, watch out for Will. Uh-oh, here we go, screaming. Good reflexes. Will, be careful. No, Ben. It was by accident that Will did it, but you did yours. Uh-oh, lost my boot. Here we go.
Are you
Benjamin.
China?
Ben. I'm going to take your shovel back if that's how you're going to...
I'm gonna